Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a velocity edit using Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So here I have a video clip with an audio, and we'll use this clip to make a velocity edit. You can see the clip is from Spider-Man 3. Anyway, so let's add the clip into your... So I'm going to add this clip in my timeline. Now over here, first of all, right click on your clip, go to time interpolation and select optical flow. And the second thing you need to require, go to show clip keyframes, time mapping, and select speed. I'm going to add the audio as well. And after that, just slow down the speed of your clip up to 30%. After that, you can see we have different beats on our music. So on that beats, we have to add a keyframe on our video. So to add a keyframe, just hold your control key and then your arrow turn into white. Then just press your left click of your mouse and a keyframe will be added. Now, you just have to increase the speed up to 300%. Now just go some frames forward and then again add a keyframe and slow down the speed of clip. Similarly, you have to do the same thing on the second beat. Add a keyframe, increase the speed, add a keyframe again, slow down the speed. So you just have to do the same thing to all of the beats. Once you are done with that, now here from the browse section, now from here just tap on this new item icon, and then you just have to choose the adjustment layer. To make it more amazing, I'm going to add directional blur, and to do that, first of all, you have to create an adjustment layer from here. Put the adjustment layer in your timeline. In the effects panel, search for directional blur. Now just move one frame forward and just cut your adjustment layer by pressing Ctrl+K. After that, just cut the middle of the pieces of your adjustment layer. And copy and paste these pieces according to your beats. Alright guys, so after that, you need to require a white background. Just import it from your computer, and after that, add this background to the top, like above all the layers. And after that, go to effects and control panel again. Here we have a blending mode, so you just have to select the blending mode to overlay. Similarly, you have to cut the white color and place it around your beats. And you are done. Now just go ahead, render your clip. And your velocity edit is ready. That's how you can make a velocity edit using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground.
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.